Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential kitchen gadget that every cooking enthusiast should consider adding to their toolkit, the Taylor 9877 FDA Compact Waterproof Digital Food Thermometer. We found this product online and included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Taylor 9877 FDA? This compact food thermometer is designed to give you accurate temperature readings quickly and efficiently. With a sleek design and waterproof features, it's perfect for both everyday cooking and more adventurous culinary experiments. Let's talk about some of its standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of the Taylor 9877 FDA is its wide temperature range. It measures temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it suitable for a variety of cooking methods, from deep frying to baking and even making candy. Additionally, it boasts a rapid response time of less than 6 seconds, ensuring that you won't be left waiting when you're ready to check the doneness of your food. Plus, it updates every second, giving you real-time temperature readings. The thermometer also features a 2.81-inch stem length with a 1.5 mm probe diameter, which is FDA-recommended. This means that you can easily insert it into various foods without having to worry about damaging your dish. It complies with HACCP recalibration requirements, which is essential for those who take food safety seriously. And if you do need to recalibrate it, you can do so easily, ensuring that you get the most accurate readings every time. Moreover, the Taylor 9877 FDA comes with some convenient features like a safety guard case, which helps protect the probe when not in use. It also has min/max memory and hold features, allowing you to track the highest and lowest temperatures recorded. This can be particularly useful when cooking large pieces of meat, ensuring you achieve the perfect doneness without overcooking. So, who is this thermometer suitable for? Well, it's perfect for home cooks, professional chefs, and anyone who enjoys grilling or baking. Whether you're making a roast, grilling steaks, or preparing delicate desserts, this thermometer can help you achieve consistent and precise results every time. It's also an excellent tool for those who are into food safety, as it allows you to ensure that your food is cooked to the right temperature, minimizing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're a meat lover, this thermometer is a game changer for checking the doneness of your steaks or poultry. Just insert the probe into the thickest part of the meat, and within seconds, you'll know if it's perfectly cooked. If you're preparing candy, the wide temperature range is ideal for ensuring that your sugar reaches the correct temperature for that perfect caramel. And for baking enthusiasts, checking the internal temperature of bread or cakes is essential to avoid undercooked or overbaked results. In summary, the Taylor 9877 FDA Compact Waterproof Digital Food Thermometer is an invaluable tool for anyone passionate about cooking. With its quick response time, wide temperature range, and easy-to-use features, it makes achieving perfect results in the kitchen a breeze. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.